Now, in the post office, when Lancho had dropped the letter, a postman who is also help in other work of the post office went to his boss, and he was laughing while carrying the letter of the Lancho and showing it to his boss and point out to show the letter is written to the god. Never in his career as a postman had he known that addressed. Postmaster, a postman, who was employee of that post office, all in his career, he had never saw this kind of address. The postmaster, at amiable fellow, also broke out laughing. The postmaster of the post office, he was also very fatigued, very laughing person. After watching the letter, he also laughing very fastly, but almost immediately he turned serious and tapping the letter on his desk commented, "What faith! I wish I had the faith of the man who wrote this letter." Now the postmaster also laughing, but suddenly he got turned so serious to see the letter written to the God, because in his career he had never seen this kind of letter, and also very surprised to see the faith of the person who wrote this kind of letter. Wow, faith! I wish I had the faith of the man who wrote this letter, and also comparing himself with the person, wish he could have faith like this person. Starting a way corresponding with God, the person, he is so funful, he is so believer of God that he is communicate God by the letters. So, in order not to seek the writer's faith in God, the postmaster came up with an idea. Answer the letter. Now, just to check the faith of the person, he decided to answer the letter. But when he opened it, it was evident that to answer it, he needed something more than goodwill, ink and paper. But as he opened the letter, he found out that the letter is needed much more than goodwill, answer, ink, paper, and other things. But he stuck to his resolution. But he was stuck to his decision. He asked for money from his employees. He himself gave part of his salary, and several friends of his were obliged to give something for an act of charity. And to fulfill his decision, he begged some money from his employees who were working under him. He also gave some part of his salary, and he also requested some other friend to give him as an act of charity. It was impossible for him to gather together the 100 pieces, so he was able to send the farmer only a little more than half. He put the money in an envelope addressed to Lancho, and with it a letter containing only a single word as a signature, God. So, as Lancho had demanded 100 pieces, and it was not possible for the employees of the post office, so they gathered only 70 pieces and kept this money inside an envelope with a letter and wrote only a word to from God. So this is the paragraph of this lesson. Below this, some question has been given, which all you have to answer in your notebook. So in next video we will cover the